Hello friends, I am Japneet Kaur. This is our third part of C language. So let us open the website online GDB compiler. Open the first link, perfect, and let us start writing the code hashtag include stdio.h. In this we are declaring a variable like int, any variable you can take, int x comma semicolon, and then write int main brackets. Then we are going to write, open the curly bracket, and right here we are going to use for loop for x, x equal to 1 semicolon, x less than equal to 10. Okay, and x plus plus. So our for loop, then we are going to open this again, printf %d, which we are going to store it in the value of x. And now let me just tell you about the code. In this we have used a for loop. It will show numbers from 1 to 10 in the compiled program. If you want to say 1 to 100, we can even print here 100 and press the run button, select the language C, and you can just see the numbers till 100. We have not given a backslash n. Right here as backslash n, it is important. Otherwise, without using backslash n, you can just see the numbers like this. And press run button. Can you just see that using backslash it comes on the next line? And if we just write here, give space, and now it will be showing on here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 100. And if we want till 200, we can just write here x less than equal to 200 and press the run button, and now it will be printing till 200, 200, 199. We just started from the 1, and if we want that it should start from 100 till 200. Okay, so press the run button, it will start from 100 till 200. Okay, no, 100, 101, 102, 102, and this is not printing here, it is coming here. That's 121, 122, and here it is 142, 143. So bye, thanks for watching our video. Share, like, subscribe.